Astron SS-30M-AP. Unboxing, setup, static test. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. You've gone out and you've shopped and you've found the rig that's right for your shack. You've also found an antenna that matches that rig perfectly. What's the one piece of the puzzle that's missing? A power supply. Enter the Astron SS-30M-AP. Number one, it is reliable. Go ahead and take a look at the reviews out there. Most of them, if not all of them, are excellent. Number two, it has the power you need for your shack. Now, it supports 12 volt to 13.8 volt. It runs 25 amps average and 30 amps maximum. And number three, you want something that has little to no interference with your equipment. Now, the Astron SS-30M-AP has a special filter circuitry for all communication frequencies in FF. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing, setup, and static test. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for the Astron SS-30M-AP. See the labels on the side. Let's open up the box here. There's some styrofoam. Here's the power cord. And here's the unit itself. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. And included are instructions from Astron along with their warranty. Let's go ahead and take a look at the unit itself, get it out of the bubble wrap. Take a look at the front of the unit. There's the on-off switch, the digital volts and amps, the USB ports, and the power pole ports. Here's where you adjust your voltage. On the back are additional places where you can stick your wires in. There's the fan. And there's the power cord. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the static test. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a power test of the Astron SS-30M-AP. Plug the cord into the back. And we'll use my PowerWorks voltage amp meter here. And one side is input, the other side is output. And hook up the Anderson power poles to the front of the Astron. I'll go ahead and turn the unit on. And it's showing 14 volts. Let's look on the voltage meter. And it's showing 14 volts on the voltage meter. Now, as of the date of this video, the Astron SS-30M-AP is in stock at GigaParts for $203.95. It's available at Ham Radio Outlet for $219.95, and it's also available at DX Engineering for $260.95. Question of the day: what did you think of the Astron SS-30M-AP unboxing, setup, and static test? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well. As always, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 3s, everyone.